What is an advocacy group and how does it help report rights violations? Imagine feeling unsure about how to speak out when your rights are being ignored or broken. That's where advocacy groups come into play. They are organized teams of people working together to support causes that matter to communities and individuals. These groups aim to influence laws, policies, and public opinion to make positive changes. They do not have government power but use tools like lobbying, public campaigns, and community outreach to make their voices heard. Advocacy groups help report rights violations by acting as a voice for those who might not have a platform or resources to speak up. They gather information about violations, such as unfair treatment or abuse, and share this with the public and authorities. This helps raise awareness and puts pressure on officials to take action. When rights abuses are brought to light, it becomes easier for authorities to recognize and address them. These groups also provide guidance on how to report violations properly. They connect individuals with legal resources like lawyers or legal aid organizations that can help with formal complaints. Sometimes, advocacy groups even participate in legal processes or public protests to hold violators accountable. Their work ensures that rights violations don't go unnoticed and that victims get the support they need to seek justice. To do this effectively, advocacy groups use several methods. They share facts and evidence about violations to inform the public and decision-makers. They encourage community members to report issues and get involved in solutions. They lobby lawmakers to create or enforce laws that protect rights. They organize public campaigns like demonstrations or social media posts to draw attention to ongoing problems. They also help connect victims with legal advice or representation, making sure they understand their rights and options. Knowing about advocacy groups helps you see that you are not alone when facing rights violations. These groups act as allies, amplifying your voice and guiding you through the process of reporting and seeking justice. They work to make sure your rights are protected and that those responsible are held accountable. If you ever experience a rights violation, reaching out to an advocacy group can be a key step in getting help and making your voice heard.